Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna make you guys a nice, lovely, simple, healthy salad. And I know you guys can have this during the week or whatever time you like to have this beautiful salad. Hopefully you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. So please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video. I love you all, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. And remember, one thing, subscribe is very important. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. Stay tuned. What's going to happen in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo on the team today? I'm going to make you guys a lovely salad, which is going to be very simple. But look at this. One medium-sized apple. All right. That's exactly what you need. A medium-sized apple. All right. Once you have the medium-sized apple, please cut it up very small and put it straight inside of a small bowl or a container, whatever you have at home. And me personally, I love apple. All right, so that's the apple. Cucumber. That is lovely. Celery is a must because celery is very good for you. Give it a mix. That is lovely and really nice. So remember, this is just a healthy salad where you guys definitely can make at home. All right. Tomato, really good for you. Speedy food. All right. You can put a spring onion, because you don't know it's still green. You know what I mean? And it's good for us. We got some rocket and spinach also, all right? So we're just going to fold it up together. That is lovely and nice, honestly, guys. So what I want to simply say to you, if you're at home and you know what I mean, you feel like you want to make a lovely healthy salad, this come in really handy for you. All right, so please watch this video, and you know what I mean, please, you know what I mean, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. As I said, we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe like this. Chef Ricardo salad, healthy salad recipe, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. All right, so yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to click in the notification bell. Easy one and simple.